Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add the RSI indicator to your MetaTrader 5 charts. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your MetaTrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads, you'll see your workspace with various charts displayed. Now find the specific chart where you want to add the RSI indicator. This could be any currency pair or asset you're currently analyzing. Go ahead and click on that chart to make sure it's selected and active. This step is important because the indicator will only be applied to the chart you have currently selected. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar of the MetaTrader 5 interface. You'll see several options there and you want to click on Insert. This menu contains all the tools and features you can add to your charts, including various types of indicators that help with technical analysis. From the Insert menu that appears, click on Indicators. This will open up a submenu showing different categories of indicators available in MetaTrader 5. These categories help organize the hundreds of indicators the platform offers, making it easier to find exactly what you need. In the submenu, you'll see several categories listed. Click on Oscillators. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, falls under this category because it's an oscillator that measures the speed and magnitude of price movements, helping you identify overbought or oversold conditions in the market. Now, from the list of oscillators that appears, click on Relative Strength Index. This will open up a settings window where you can customize how the RSI indicator appears and functions on your chart. In the settings window, you'll see a field labeled Period. Here, input your preferred period value. The default is typically 14, which is the standard setting most traders use, but you can adjust this based on your trading strategy and time frame. Next, look for the Apply to drop-down menu. Click on it and select Close from the options. This tells the indicator to calculate the RSI based on the closing prices of each candle, which is the most common and reliable method for RSI calculation. Now, you can customize the visual appearance of the indicator. In the Style section, adjust the line color, thickness, and type according to your preferences. This helps you distinguish the RSI from other indicators on your chart and makes it easier to read at a glance. Once you've configured all your settings and you're satisfied with how everything looks, click OK at the bottom of the settings window. The RSI indicator will now appear in a separate panel below your main price chart, showing you the momentum readings for your selected asset. And that's it. You've successfully added the RSI indicator to your MetaTrader 5 chart, giving you another valuable tool for your technical analysis. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.